Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Shelly's Millions. I think you're starting to know that when I wear one of these suit and tie, shirt and tie kind of outfits, that it means I'm going to be diving into how much I think someone else made on their YouTube channel. So this is a little series that I'm doing, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how much I think Clearvalue Tax made for his videos in the month of May. Earlier in the series I discussed how much I think Meet Kevin made in the month of May, and the next video will be discussing the two against each other, since there's a little friendly internet rivalry between the two of them as is. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like me to add Minority Mindset's Jaspreet Singh to that group of YouTubers who I'm trying to guess how much they're making in 1 month. One of my favorite YouTubers, Graham Stephan, I will not be guessing how much he made on YouTube in 1 month because he usually produces those videos on his own. Congratulations, Graham Stephan, on just hitting 2 million subscribers. So we'll be looking forward to that video from you soon. And without any more further delays, let's get into how much I think Clearvalue Tax made for the month of May, posting all of those stimulus videos. I almost forgot, if you are enjoying these videos and you don't want to miss the next ones in this series, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, the notification bell, and share this video with someone. It really helps the YouTube algorithm know that more people might want to see my videos, and it helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. Of course, some of you are wondering why, if this channel is about me becoming a millionaire, why I'm doing videos on how much I think other people are making. And the answer is just they're fun for me. I think the potential that there is to make on YouTube, especially with these guys that are posting like almost a video a day, it's just really inspiring to me. It helps motivate me. It lets me know what my competition is. It sets some metrics for me to try and achieve. And that's why I'm doing this. So hopefully you'll enjoy it too, especially if you're a new YouTuber and you want to know how many videos you can post in a day, or what that might make you if you were posting more than one video a day. So that's why I'm doing it, and hopefully you'll enjoy watching these too. A lot of times when I'm making these videos about other people's channels, like the outfit is inspired by Clearvalue Tax. I don't know if I really love this blue shirt with the red tie. And I know, I'm sorry I got it wrong. It's not a double Windsor knot. I don't even know if this knot has a name. I'm not unfamiliar with tying a tie. I did tie it myself. The job that I'm currently furloughed from, our uniform when I first started almost 25 years ago was a white shirt and a tie. So I've got a lot of fun ties. These are all mine, just in case you were wondering. And let's look at Clearvalue Tax's May numbers. There is another YouTuber that has made a couple of videos about the friendly internet rivalry between Clearvalue Tax and Meet Kevin, and I don't know if it was on purpose, he kept calling him Clearwater Tax, so it's not Clearwater Tax, it is Clearvalue Tax. And I'm sure you've seen him because a lot of his views have more than 1 million views. And here is a look at his May's number. In May, he posted 50 videos. There were 31 days in May, so that is an average of 1.61 videos a day, which is, we're going to call that approximately 2 videos a day. And again, that's just phenomenal, very inspirational. Like I said, I'm struggling to just post 2 a week, so really a lot of respect to these guys for keeping on top of the stimulus topic and getting that information to everyone in a timely manner. Okay, and Clearvalue Tax's approximate 2 videos a day generated him 21,475,000 views over those 31 days in May. And so, of course, YouTube pays you what's called CPM, which is based on each 1,000 views. So 21,475,000 divided by 1,000 is 21,475. So that will be the number that we're using to try and determine how much Mr. Clearvalue Tax made in the month of May. As usual, since I'm trying to make an estimated guess, I'm going to calculate this out at 3 different CPM possibilities. The first CPM possibility is going to be what YouTube says the average is per 1,000 views, which is between $2 and $3. So we've plopped that right in the middle at $2.53. And those 21,475 views at $2.50 would have made Clearvalue Tax $53,687.50, aka pretty much my whole annual salary in 1 month. The second possibility for CPM that we will consider is $11. That's about what my channel is making. And again, YouTube pays you sometimes when your videos are a little bit longer than 10 minutes. I have a nice mix of videos that are above 10 minutes and below 10 minutes. But Clearvalue Tax's videos are pretty short. So it makes it a little bit harder to guess with him. Of his 50 videos, only 9 of those came in at above 10 minutes. The reason why you make more when your videos are longer is you can add ads in the middle, and of course that's going to generate you more revenue. When your video is under 10 minutes, you can only place a video or an ad at the beginning of the video or an ad at the end of the video. So there's not as much opportunity to place ads, and then there's not as much opportunity to make money. But if Clearvalue Tax was getting a CPM of $11, that would mean he made $236,225 just in the month of May. And then finally, we've got a CPM of $25, which is what some finance channels can command. And it's possible that he is getting that number. And if that were his CPM, he would have made over $500,000 just on his videos at $536,875. No, $875. So those are phenomenal possibilities. I would love if he did a reaction video to this and let us know what he actually made in the month of May from his videos. And I am going to guess for Clearvalue Tax that he's about, I'm going to go with the middle number at $11 of a CPM, even though his videos in general are pretty short. He has a good number of subscribers. He's got almost 600,000 subscribers at the time when I got the information for this video. And so, yeah, I think it's possible with that many subscribers that even though the videos are short, that he could be commanding a CPM of $11 per 1,000 views. All right, and like most really successful YouTubers, of course, Clearvalue Tax does have some other things going on that are links or kind of direct results from his YouTube channel. The first thing that he has is Clearvalue Tax Services. He works for a company under the same name. There's multiple people that work for that company, and it's not really tax season. I think this will pay off big time come 2021. I think he'll generate a lot of business then. But as for how much he's generating now, I'm just not sure. So I guessed this is driving an extra $2,000 of business to him. Then he, of course, links to his Webull referral link. And I'm just kind of using my numbers. So again, per 1,000 new subscribers, it seems like about 2 people use my link. So I've got 150,000 new subscribers is what I'm estimating at. I don't actually have his numbers from April, so I'm not sure how many new subscribers he generated in May. So that is also an estimate. So 150 times 2 is 300 people using his link, times 2 free stocks, that's 600, 2 free stocks at $14, because that's the average of the stocks that I have been receiving from Webull referrals. That's going to generate him an extra $8,400 in income per month. And then he also does his Robinhood referrals. And Robinhood, I'm again basing these off my numbers and guessing that he had 150,000 new subscribers. Only about 1 person per 1,000 uses my Robinhood referral link. and their stock that they give you tends to be a little bit lower. So I took that 150 and multiplied that by 5, and that's an extra $750. And that gives us a total of $11,150 in estimated additional income generated because of his YouTube channel in 1 month. Don't forget, if you do want me to do one of these about minority mindsets, Jaspreet Singh, leave me a comment down below and I will make one trying to estimate his revenue as well. The next one planned for this series is comparing Meet Kevin and Clearvalue taxes numbers to see who came out ahead. And then, unless you guys want me to do minority mindset, the series will culminate with me sharing how much I made on my first month in YouTube. And as always, I'm going to leave you guys my Webull link and my Robinhood link so you guys can use my link below if you haven't signed up with those companies yet. With Webull, you get 2 free stocks after initial deposit of $100, one of which could be valued up to $1,400. And with Robinhood, all you need to do is link your bank account and they'll give you 1 free stock valued up to $500. Thanks again for watching Shelly's Millions. I'll see you next time.